Okay, with the new replacement HDMI board fitted, I'm just reassigning all the video inputs, modes and everything, because everything's got to be reassigned, and the firmware has got to be reloaded, which is under and check for updates. So I've got to reload all that. Not sure what else, but anyway, so got to take the lid off again because it's got a little bit of a buzz when I put the put all this back in. It's got a little bit of a buzz, so I know where it be. I know where it's roughly coming from. So I just got to take the lid off, and it's probably a cable wiring on the inside, and it's just probably resting on something. So that's not a problem. So now it's switched, and it's please wait, and it would do the firmware, which will take 38 minutes. So something to eat. Yeah, not much to do.